you are the winner of the previous challenge, you get to choose your plated course first.
Season 3, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, take off the cover.
Lemon with pistachio tart with lemon.
Amor, take this box. I will give you the privilege to draw the name of the designer who goes next.
Really full of peaches and hazelnuts. Wild berry frangipane with raspberry jelly, raspberry cooling, vanilla mascarpone.
Dark chocolate sphere with warm chocolate sauce. Nice. It's green tea opera cake with goma sauce and white chocolate cream.
It's tiramisu with coffee crunch and dulce de leche.
Di ba nag-aalam ako ng ube cake? Ube cake with ube macaroon.
And of course, MJ.
Milk chocolate layer cake with peanut and cashew.
Okay, designers, here's your challenge. You have to create a look using your plated course as inspiration. Okay, you develop your design concept by focusing on your plated course's color, texture, and styling. Before I forget, you get to taste your plated course. And after tasting it, you remember your gustatorial experience. Your design should also reflect your sensory perception. The winner of this challenge will get immunity to the next challenge.
Georgie presented the challenge in a very creative way. Sobrang ganda na hindi ka ma-pressure.
Is everything understood?
Yes.
It's not just yung look ng dessert kasama yung taste sa challenge. Ala, sabi ko, top challenge talaga to.
Okay, designers, this is a one-day challenge. And I'm giving you 15 minutes to sketch your design. Waiters?
Pagkakagat ko sa cake na yun is maasim. Maasim talaga. Paano ko kaya i-explain na maasim yung damit? Lagyan ko ng suka. Para pag naamoy sarami, ganon. Hindi ko alam.
Hindi kasi ako mahilig sa ube. Tapos, tinikman ko siya, hindi siya lasang ube. Kumbaga parang candy lang siya, tapos yung aftertaste, dun may ube. Parang, ang weird.
Okay, let's all head to Carolina. Okay, designers, time's up. Let's all go now.
Designer yun. Alright, talaga yan. Wow, galing.
Pagkagandang-gandang designer na yan. My God, tama lagi ating color.
When I see my desserts, it's more of triangles, angles, and, lines. And I'll be playing with lines.
Using the tiramisu as my inspiration, for the color, I'll go with brown color. Pero I'll make sure na matutone down siya para, hindi magmukhang medyo mapait.
Good evening, designer. Okay, are you ready for the fitting?
Ay, yummy natin.
Bali, sir, I got the wild berry tangerine raspberry jelly, raspberry filling, and vanilla mascarpone. So, Bali, I've noticed my dessert to have lots of lines and angles. I'll be using the jersey so that I'm connection siya for paddling. Like for this one, ganyan. Then,
Paano ka rin naman?
Yes, sir. This time it's visible kasi super bilis ng gawin ito. Then it's visually, may effect. Then I'll be using top stitching again, using heat treatment on organza. Since the material is polyester, it will have an effect when it's heated.
So, in other words, you will melt the fiber and the yarn.
Yes, on some parts lang, sir, so parang magkaka...
Okay. Thanks, Cheetah.
Thanks, sir. The main problem ko is the length. Kasi ayoko siyang may seam sana, pero since 1.5 yard lang siya, nabitin siya sa likod.
Okay, it's okay naman to add tela there, no? It's only because the width of the fabric is not enough for, the pattern. That's okay.
Iba yung flow.
No. But then, I find it too plain. This is a competition, to make it better. Hindi ko gusto yung this one, parang chicharon.
Yes, sir. Aayusin ko po yan.
Oo. Tsaka parang madumi. Even your embroidery is
Ay.
Alam mo parang masyado lang matigas because you're using this. Masan ba? Ito, yung ganon. Parang, kasi, your fabric, as it is already stiff. So, pwede na siya to stand on its own. And you're boning pa naman, diba?
Gusto ko kasi, sir, matigas na matigas tingnan.
Wow, ambitious.
Ambitious, yeah. Wait, I'm trying to fix it because it's like doing this. Pero, the good thing is, hindi siya bubuka kasi meron siyang, para siyang tuloy-tuloy dito. From here, tapos mga folds and tucks.
So this drape panel here, eto yan, ganon. Pero eto, paano?
This one, I'm trying to fix kung paano hindi siya mag-aganyan. Kasi kanina
And
naglalaro.
the back is this?
Pero bakit nga? Kasi,
Kasi parang, okay. Okay, designers, time's up. Model.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Grabe, ang linis ng school.
Good morning, designers. Okay, I'll call your model.
skin's a little